The Ford Kuga II, produced from 2012 to 2019, features two main fuse boxes that protect the vehicle's electrical systems. One fuse box is located in the interior, under the dashboard, protecting cabin electronics like lights and audio. The second fuse box is in the engine compartment, near the battery, safeguarding engine systems like fuel pumps. Knowing these locations is crucial for troubleshooting electrical issues and performing DIY maintenance on your Ford Kuga II. The interior fuse box in the Ford Kuga II is typically located under the driver's side dashboard. To access it, look for a removable panel secured by clips or screws. Usually, you can pull it downward or sideways without tools, but a screwdriver may be needed for stubborn clips. This box protects cabin electronics such as lights, power windows, and the audio system. Diagrams are usually printed on the box lid or in the owner's manual. The engine fuse box in the Ford Kuga II is located in the engine compartment. Open the hood to access the engine compartment. The fuse box is typically positioned near the battery on the driver's side. In some models, it may be integrated into the air filter housing. Look for a plastic lid covering the box. To access it, remove the plastic lid by unhooking latches or using a screwdriver for any screws. This fuse box protects critical engine-related systems, including fuel pumps, ignition coils, anti-lock brakes, and other essential components. For safety, always turn off the engine and battery before working. Wear protective gloves and use appropriate tools. Knowing these locations allows you to quickly address electrical faults, such as a dead radio or a non-starting engine. Diagrams are typically printed on the fuse box lids or in the owner's manual, though they can slightly vary by trim level, such as titanium versus Z-Tech. Essential tools and safety are crucial when working with fuse boxes. Always turn off the engine and remove the key before starting. Use a fuse tester or multimeter to check fuse continuity safely. For testing, a fuse tester or multimeter helps verify if a fuse is intact. When replacing fuses, always match the exact amperage rating to avoid electrical shorts and fire hazards. Common issues with Ford Kuga II fuse boxes include blown fuses caused by electrical shorts or water ingress. For instance, a 15-amp fuse in the interior box can blow and disable the central locking system, often due to wiring harness shorts worsened by moisture. Engine fuse problems can trigger warning lights, frequently linked to a faulty alternator or corrosion in the engine compartment. For example, a blown 30-amp engine fuse might cause dashboard alerts, requiring terminal cleaning and fuse replacement. Regular fuse box inspections are essential to catch these issues early and maintain your vehicle's electrical system reliability. Experts from organizations like the AA and ASC certified mechanics recommend annual fuse box inspections for vehicles like the Ford Kuga II, as 70 to 80% of electrical issues involve fuses, according to recent surveys. If experiencing cabin-related electrical problems, such as dead radios or power windows, start with the interior fuse box. For engine or drivetrain issues like warning lights, begin with the engine fuse box. Always consult fuse diagrams printed on box lids or in the owner's manual to avoid misdiagnosis. Using the wrong fuse amperage can cause electrical shorts or fires, as warned by experts from Haynes Publishing. While the Ford Kuga II relies on traditional blade fuses, automotive electrical systems are rapidly evolving towards smarter, more reliable technologies. Currently, vehicles like the Kuga II use traditional blade fuses of various sizes and amperage ratings to protect electrical circuits from overloads. One major trend is the increased reliance on OBD2 diagnostic scanners for troubleshooting electrical issues. These devices can quickly identify blown fuses and other problems without manual inspection. Looking ahead, future vehicles are moving towards smart, resettable fuses and solid-state relays that can automatically reset after a fault, eliminating the need for physical replacement and reducing maintenance costs. For current Kuga II owners, online resources and DIY education are becoming more accessible through forums, apps, and virtual fuse maps, making electrical troubleshooting easier than ever.